Hello everyone, welcome to my course. In this course, you will learn how to use local models, local LLMs in your projects to solve problems. But first, let me introduce myself briefly. I am Abdurrahman and currently I am doing PhD. And I already published 3 papers and 2 of them published in Aerospace Science and Technology, which is best journal in my field, which is aerospace engineering. And I'm using AI to design aircraft. Because of that, you can trust my knowledge about AI. And in the course, I am also teaching how the LLM works. When we are writing prompt, how we get answer to that, what's going on behind it. I'm explaining it with math. So when you finish this course, you will understand and everything will be clear how you get the answer. But first, let me explain what you will learn step by step. In the first section, which is Ollama, you can see here, we will learn how to download any model from Ollama website to our computer. Later, we will learn how to run this model using Python. In this way, we will be able to use the local LLMs in our projects. And we will do several small projects to understand the process. Later, we will learn useful libraries, LangChain and CrewAI. We will use LangChain to split chunks. In this way, we will be able to chat with long text like novels or longer videos. In that section, we are doing similar projects. And in CrewAI, with CrewAI library, we will create several agents and use them together to get better results. Later, we will learn how to download models from Hugging Face websites. We will download text-to-text model. We are just giving text prompt and we are getting answer. Later, we will download another model to text-to-speech. It will convert text to audio, which is very successful. You will like it and you will learn how to download it on your computer and you can run it freely. Later, we will download another model to text-to-image and you can create image freely, and text-to-video, another model, and image-to-video model. So when you finish this section, you will be able to download any model from Hugging Face, because on Hugging Face we have more than 2 million models. And when you finish this section, you will be able to download any of them if your computer is good enough. Later, guys, we will learn how to fine-tune LLMs, which is one of the most important part of the course, because most of the LLMs don't know the updated information. For example, your personal information. If you ask them who you are, they will hallucinate. They will give wrong answer. But you can train the local model with your personal information, and then when you ask a question, it will be able to answer correctly. And in this section, I am teaching how you can do that. Later, when you fine-tune model, you also can deploy your own personal model to Ollama website. Here, let me show you. This is the Ollama website. When I search, you can find my model here, Abdurrahman model. Here, you can see all the models. When I type Abdurrahman, you can see Abdurrahman model. And let me show you here. I can run this model in this way. You will learn how to run these Ollama models in the course. And when I run and when I ask a question like this, who is Abdurrahman Tekin? Before training this model, the answer was just different every time and it's hallucinating. It gives wrong answer. But now the model knows me and answer correctly. Here, his courses, he knows I am an aerospace engineer and Udemy instructor. Here, And his courses cover reinforcement learning, deep Q learning, large language models, airfoil, aerodynamics, and Python. So you will learn how you will learn how to train, how to fine-tune LLMs with your own data in this course. Later, guys, in the last section, we are creating a LLM assistant coding tool. It will be a like cursor like coding tool. Let me show it to you. We are using again Streamlit, and you can use this tool as an editor. You can run any Python code here, and you can import the libraries here. I am explaining all the features of this tool in detail, but here let me show you just two features. For example, you have Python code like this and you want to study it. When you select a few code lines or any code here, you will see explain button here. I hope you can see it clearly. When you click on it, in explanation section pop up, and here you will see the explanation of that code line. And in this way you can study, and just close it. Here you study it, just come here, select explain. It will explain that part again. In this way, guys, first you can use this tool to study Python. And here we get answers. Later, for example, we have another Python file here. You also can create a new Python file. In the course, you will learn everything about this tool, guys. For example, we have this 34 lines in this Python file. And of course, we are not writing the code by ourselves. Here we are using local LLM and to make the LLM write the code. And for example, just improve the code. I asked the LLM improve the code, and it's writing a new code there, but we are not looking there. When it finished the code, here we will see this page. The left part is the old code, and the right part is the new code. And here you will see clearly what's changing, and the red one is just discarding. We are removing the red part, and this green part we are adding. So you also can use this part to study. These are empty. For example, when we apply it, all these lines fill with this green part. So you easily can compare which part is this removing and which part is entering. The right part is our new code. When you apply, click on this apply merge change. Now this is our new code here. So you can run it and you can update it. If you can add new features by chatting with LLM. Also, this tool can do web research here, but you don't have to do that. You can select, you can open and close web research and code planning. Everything I am explaining in detail in the course, guys. So and after that, after explaining how to use this, I created a new tool, a new application to prove this tool's capability. For example, we created an app which solved my problem, and we created an subtitle generator. Here you are seeing that code, and in this video here, let me show you. Create subtitle generator. It's a 2 hours video, guys. In that video we created this tool together, subtitle generator, When we run this code behind, let me show you what's happening. We have, for example, we have a folder which is videos folder, and in that folder we are putting many videos. Here all these videos are the videos of the course. When we run the code, we will have subtitles in the subtitles folder. In the subtitles folder we will have 133 folders, and one folder for each language. For example, the first folder is the Afrikaans. When I open it, I am seeing here 57 different subtitles, one subtitle for each video. When I open it, let me show you. Just open it with Notepad. Here guys, you can see the subtitle in Afrikaans, and I am uploading these subtitles to course. For example, this is the first video in the Ollama section, and in the captions you can see these subtitles, and I will upload all of them. In this way guys, I used the tool which I created to solve a real problem, which is this one. So you also can use this tool to solve your problem, to create any applications, and everything in this tool is free and work locally. If you choose the tool become online to do web research, you can open it, but you don't have to open it. So you can run this tool, use this tool offline. Okay guys, I hope you will enjoy and learn a lot from this course. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.